In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subject line in a reply on Yahoo Mail, the easiest way possible. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're at the Yahoo login page. Once you're there, begin by typing in your Yahoo email address. This initiates the login process, enabling you to access your emails, which is the first step towards changing the subject line. After entering your email, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click on it. The next screen will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type in your password to ensure you're not making any errors, as this will allow you to move forward. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on the Next button again to proceed. This will log you into your Yahoo Mail account, and now you're one step closer to accomplishing your goal. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your inbox and open the email to which you'd like to reply. This could be any email conversation where you feel the subject line needs a bit of a tweak. Once the email is opened, you'll see the familiar Reply button. Give it a click. If the email chain involves multiple recipients and you wish to respond to all of them, click Reply All instead. This will ensure your edits and response reach everyone involved. With the reply window now open, look towards the top of this window. You'll find the subject field clearly displayed. Here's where the magic happens. You can directly click on this subject field. It's easy to miss, but once you click into it, you'll be able to edit the existing subject line. Perhaps the conversation has moved on to a different topic, or you simply want the subject to be more specific. Whatever the reason, simply type your new subject line in. After you've crafted the perfect subject line, don't forget to finish composing your email message as you normally would. Once you're satisfied with both the new subject and the contents of your message, there's just one last thing to do. Go ahead and click Send. It's that simple. Your message will now be sent with your edited subject line, making it easier for recipients to understand the new context at a glance. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed the subject line of your email reply in Yahoo Mail. This small but powerful trick can significantly impact how your emails are perceived and engaged with. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!